Hi friends, this is the kids twin the swimming pool jacket, like the floating jacket. And here you can see is like open the package, pretty come in a normal shaping package, and it comes with a carry bag, so that's a very cool feature. You can see that's very soft, mushy, and it allows the water to drain out, so it's pretty much good. And then you can place in your jacket in here, and then just tighten the string, and you can just hold it on your back like this. Pretty cool, right? And then the kids can easily carry them, and the quality wise it's good, stitching and everything, it looks good to me for this backpack. So I'm hoping like the quality for this jacket is nice as well. And you can see that the drainage and the mushy look, it's nice. And here is the jacket, and the another cool feature here is the lock. So even you see here, you try to open, it will not open directly. Like if you don't you try to stitch it out, it doesn't open. It will open only when these three combination will be done. So press the both this button and the top button, and only then this will come out. So kids or accidentally it will not come out. So that's a nice and safe feature, so that kids do not like just accidentally take it out. And it needs an adult person or someone to actually do all these three things to take it out. The hook wise is good, and then quality of this foam is a thick foam, and looks like much more floating ones. And the painting or the print on the top looks nice and funky. And this have like the two of this handbar and the jacket on the front. So this is like the twin, and you can see here that it is a floating device for child 22 to 66 pounds, 10 to 30 kgs. And it shows like must be worn with buckle locked, and then the buckle in the back. So when you see this, so the hands and do not carry heavy objects, heavy impair flotation. So when you see here, it clearly mentioned this is for the left, and this is like the left hand, and the right hand for the kids. And then the jacket goes in the front, and the lock goes in the back. Done. And then the kids are safe, they can easily float, but just see the weight warning. So and you can adjust the size with the belt.